Continuing our exploration of the Zohar's core concepts, let's dive deeper into some fundamental aspects, Tzimtzum and free will. The concept of Tzimtzum, or divine contraction, has direct implications for human free will. When God withdraws to create space where the physical universe can exist, He simultaneously allows creatures, especially humans, to exist with freedom of choice. Deepening, without the overwhelming presence of divine light occupying all space, humans have the opportunity to act freely. This is essential for our ability to choose good over evil. Rav Yehuda Ashlag, author of the Olam commentary on the Zohar, teaches that this space for free will places us on a continuous journey of self-improvement. The more we choose the path of righteousness and kindness, the more we reveal the hidden light present throughout creation. Personal reflection, Tzimtzum, then, is not just a divine withdrawal, it is an invitation for humans to actively participate in creation by making moral and spiritual choices that reveal the divine in the world. How do you see the role of free will in your life? How can everyday choices become a way to reveal this hidden light? Shevirat HaKelim, the shattering of the vessels. Another key concept in the Zohar's mysticism is the breaking of the vessels, Shevirat HaKelim, which occurs after creation. When God sends His light to fill the vessels, the spiritual containers, they cannot contain this infinite light and break. This event is seen as the origin of evil and imperfection in the world. Deepening, the breaking of the vessel symbolizes the fragmentation of divine light and the creation of duality in the world, between good and evil, darkness and light. Evil is not a separate entity from God, but rather a result of the physical world's inability to contain all divine light. Tikkun Olam, repairing the world, is humanity's mission, to repair the broken vessels and restore the harmony of the original creation. This is achieved through acts of kindness, spiritual study, and personal rectification. Or Haganas, the hidden light. The Zohar speaks extensively about Or Haganas, the hidden light, which was created at the beginning but concealed for the righteous in the world to come. This light is the source of spiritual wisdom, which humans can access through deep study of the Torah and spiritual seeking. Deepening, this light is not easily accessible, as it was hidden after Adam's sin. However, it can be discovered and revealed in the world through acts of kindness and deep study of divine wisdom. The hidden light is also within each person. In the Zohar, there is a metaphor comparing each person to a candle, and the process of revealing spiritual light involves igniting this inner flame. Personal reflection, or Haganas, is a powerful idea. The light is always present, even if hidden. Our task is to work to reveal this light through spirituality and kindness. Where do you see hidden light in your life? What are the areas where you feel this light can be discovered and brought forth? The role of the Sefirot in creation. The Sefirot are 10 divine emanations that channel the light of Ein Sof into the world. In the context of Tzimtzum, the Sefirot are the vessels that receive this light and manifest it in an organized way, allowing the physical universe to be created. Deepening, each Sephira has a specific function and represents a divine quality, such as chest, kindness, Gevura, discipline, and Tiferet, beauty. The balance between these Sefirot is essential for the harmony of the universe. The Zohar teaches that each person also manifests the Sefirot in their life. Spiritual work involves aligning our qualities with these divine emanations, balancing love and discipline, for example. Personal reflection, the Sefirot offer a spiritual map to help us balance our emotions and actions. Where do you perceive imbalances between love and discipline, or between mercy and justice, in your life? How can you work to align your qualities with the Sefirot? Cycles of time, Shabbat and creation. Within the Zohar's concept of time, Shabbat is seen as a dimension outside normal time, a moment when creation returns to its original harmony. Shabbat is considered a taste of the Olam Haba, the world to come, where divine light will be fully revealed. Deepening, Shabbat is an opportunity to disconnect from the physical world and reconnect with the hidden light of creation. In the Zohar, it is said that Shabbat brings an extra soul to the human being, allowing a deeper connection with the divine. Every Shabbat, it is as if the process of Tzimtzum is momentarily reversed, allowing God's infinite light to be felt more clearly. Personal reflection: how can Shabbat, or any other spiritual ritual, serve as a moment of reconnection with the hidden light of the universe? What practices can help you create this sacred space and reconnect with your spiritual purpose? These concepts from the Zohar help us see life and the universe in a much deeper way, teaching us to look beyond the surface and recognize the hidden potential in every moment and action.